Today, we're going to talk about flow control actions in journeys. Let's take a look. In journeys, there are two types of flow controls. There's branches and there's conditions. Let's see how they work. Now, to begin with, we want to explain what a branch is. A branch means that once an action completes and a branch is applied, all the actions below will trigger simultaneously. In this case, you have a simple meal order that gets sent to a person going for a meeting. Once they've filled out this form, the branch will kick in and two actions will take place simultaneously. In this case, the supervisor will get a confirmation of what was ordered for the meal, making sure they order it before the person arrives. A wait until date action is applied and triggers, making sure that the item below doesn't move forward until the start date of this meeting at 11 o'clock. And 1 hour before they meet, the person going for the meeting gets a simple notification of what they ordered for their meal and that it will be ready when they arrive. You can easily add multiple branches. In this case, for example, you might want to add another branch notifying the supervisor with a text that someone is coming, or endless other use cases.